Hello and welcome to this CATIA V5 tutorial. Today we are going to sketch a cylindrical elongated hole. So first of all, go to start and then click onto part design, type your part name, and then click OK. So now you have your part name over here. First of all, let us sketch, and in order to sketch we need to select the plane. In this case I will select the YZ plane, and then I'll go into the sketching button over here and then select the position sketch. And now my horizontal and my vertical, I don't need to swap it because the horizontal is in the horizontal axis and the vertical is in the vertical axis. So just press OK. Now we are ready to draw. Click on this little arrow over here and you will find the cylindrical elongated hole. And there are many more other features, but today we are going to focus on the cylindrical elongated hole. Click onto this one, click anywhere on the screen, left click. So you need to draw a radius first, so you can left click anywhere on the screen, left click, and then you need to draw a part of a circle. So I will just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so you need to draw a circle, so I will just draw any way I like. So let's say half a circle. Yeah, and then you need to define the thickness of the donut shape. So just click anywhere you like, so left click, and then you're done. But at the moment our sketch isn't constrained, so it can move anywhere with respect to the axis. So let's make it a constrained sketch first. So we need to double click on the constraint so that we don't have to click it every time we want to constrain the sketching elements. Double click it and then select this one. No, sorry, double click it and then select this element. Then you have the radius, and then select this point and press the control, and then select this one, but I want my distance to be linear, so I will just right click and then horizontal measure direction. And now I have mentioned uh, I have constrained this center point of this sketching element with the center point of the axis in the horizontal direction. I need to do the same thing for the vertical axis as well, so I will just click onto this point and then I'll click on this axis, and now you can see my all of these sketching elements are constrained, but still I can sorry ESC uh, but still I can move these features of the sketch. So how will I constrain that one? So I will need to click onto the constraint button, click on this sketching element, click on this axis, and then this element is constrained now. So the same thing with this one as well, then it's done. In this example I use the axis system, whereas if the sketch is a more complicated sketch, if there are any other elements like for example a line, a point, you can constrain these sketching elements with respect to any other sketching elements, uh, like an axis, a line, um, yeah, basically pretty much everything. And now you can change the dimensions as you go along. So let's say I want it to be 130, double click it, and then yeah, press enter, change the values and press enter. Same thing with this one. If I wanted this to be, let's say 90ish, then I can change this feature. This distance, if I want it to be 200ish, can be done. If I want this to be at the center point 0, then this can be done. Now you just go and press this exit sketch workout, exit workbench button, and then we are done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We will continue to do the sketching for many other features in the upcoming tutorials. Thank you very much.